Hey guys, there is a new update in AQ3D. It's called sheathing. Sheathing, sheath.
Sheathing. Sheathe.
Let's play and I'll show you how shit it works, not shit. I'm going to sign in with my AQ3D account. Yeah, this is my handsome character. I'm going to show you now how shit it works, but it's already shown up that shit. When you use a skill, he grabs the katana in his hand. After you use this skill, just wait for a few seconds to put his katana on his back. That's called sheath. Where am I going to find an auto-sheath in the game through mobile? Go to settings, then find the option to auto-sheath your weapon, then check the button. That's it. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and like and share for more videos.